Hi everyone, I am Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very easy pattern hat. Make magic circle, insert your hook into this yarn, pull up yarn, make 2 chains, yarn over, hide this yarn under a stitch, yarn over, go to this ring, stitch first round in this ring, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, not complete this stitch, hold this yarn on your hook, yarn over, go to this ring, pull through 2 yarns. Now we have 1 2 3 stitch on hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, close it by, make a chain, yarn over, go to this ring, pull through, hold this yarn on hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, close it by make a chain, made 1 cluster stitch in here, yarn over, make 1 cluster stitch like this. We have 4 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, close it by make 1 chain, and repeat this. I made 8 cluster crochet stitch in first round. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Insert your hook into this chain, top of first chains, slip stitch, make 1 2 chains, yarn over, go to this chain, make 1 cluster stitch, yarn over, go to this stitch between 2 stitches, make 1 cluster stitch, two cluster stitches in this stitch, go to this stitch, make 1 cluster stitch, two cluster stitch, make 2 cluster stitch in each stitch, in here, here, and continue like this. make 2 cluster stitch in last stitch, now we have 1 cluster stitch in first stitch. Complete this stitch by 1 more cluster stitch in here in first hole. Make 1 more cluster stitch like this. Now we have 2 cluster stitch in first stitch. Go to first chain, slip stitch. In second round we have 1 2 3 4 5 16 stitches, 16 cluster stitches in this round. Make 1 2 chains, yarn over, go to first stitch, make 1 cluster stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 cluster stitch, two cluster stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 cluster stitch, continue like this, 2 cluster stitch, one cluster stitch, continue like this, 2 cluster stitch in this round. Make 1 cluster stitch, 2 cluster stitch in last stitch, go to this stitch and slip stitch. Now we have 24 stitches, 24 cluster stitches in third round. Now we have 1 2 3 round. In first round 8 stitches, in second round 16 stitches, in third round 24 stitches. In here we have 14 centimeter. After 14 centimeter, make 1 2 chains, go to first chain, make 1 cluster stitch, and go to next stitch between these stitches, make 1 cluster stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 cluster stitch, and continue like this, 1 cluster stitch in each stitch for this round. Make 1 cluster crochet in last stitch, slip stitch, and continue like before round. Make one stitch in each stitch. Continue for more rows. I crocheted 7 rows. If you crochet longer than this hat, you can make more rows. A slip stitch. Make 1 2 chains, yarn over, take this cluster stitch on your hook and make 1 double crochet around this stitch. Yarn over, go to this stitch, back of cluster stitch, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, take cluster stitch and make 1 double crochet, on cluster stitch, make 1 double crochet in next stitch, make 1 double crochet around cluster stitch, make 1 double crochet in next stitch, 1 double crochet, take this stitch on your hook and 1 double crochet around cluster stitch and continue like this. Go to this stitch, slip stitch, make 1 2 chains, yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet on this stitch, make 1 double crochet around this stitch, make 1 double crochet, take all stitch on your hook and make 1 double crochet around each stitch like this. Slip stitch, this hat is suitable for adults. I measure around my head. This is 56 and measure around this hat and I show you around this hat is 56 and around my head is 56 centimeters.